Welcome to Birds and Bees Resort, your tranquil haven in Pattaya. For an effortless booking experience and a detailed description of the resort's offerings, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or look for the link in the description below. This exquisite resort, established in 2008 and elegantly refreshed in 2025, offers a sanctuary of serenity, just a stone's throw from the dynamic energy of Pattaya. Birds and Bees Resort presents a collection of 59 meticulously designed rooms, each a testament to comfort and refined aesthetics. Imagine yourself enveloped in an atmosphere curated for discerning adults, a place where tranquility reigns supreme. The resort's strategic location, a mere 2 kilometers from the city's pulse, allows for easy access to Pattaya's vibrant attractions, while the airport is conveniently an 80-minute drive away. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with a seamless check-in at 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in and begin your escape. At Birds and Bees Resort, you will discover thoughtfully curated amenities, including a welcoming bar perfect for socializing and a serene garden, ideal for peaceful reflection. The resort provides conveniences such as complimentary Wi-Fi, accessible parking, and breakfast to fuel your day. Birds and Bees Resort awaits your discovery. For availability and to reserve your experience, don't forget to scan the QR code now.